In this video, we're going to talk about Ripple XRP and give some price predictions for the future. Disclaimer. Also, if you want to have a lifetime 10% discount on all commission fees on Binance, then click on the link in the description. As you already know, XRP is experiencing some problems with the SEC currently. How it all started. About 4 months ago, the securities regulatory arm of the United States sued Ripple Labs on the count of 3 charges. Raising capital to the tune of $1.3 billion via a secret tail of large undocumented digital currencies to customers. This had gone on for over 8 years. Allegedly issuing an undisclosed amount of XRP as a means of payment for services of labor and other promotional activities without due documentation. An additional private covert sale by the company's founders, Bradley Garlinghouse and Christian Larson, to the tune of $600 million. Going by these allegations, Ripple may have ventured to bypass the US SEC stipulated laws as enshrined in the 1933 Securities Act, which binds and bans all forms of public capital raising transactions done on US soil without proper documentation and notification to the exchange platform. The SEC may well aim to set this as a precedent and serve as a deterrent to others. What's the fate of the others? Well, the others in the previous context encompass all stakeholders and investors within the crypto market and its global ecosystem whose operations may likely be affected by whatever the outcome of the case. The real others in this case holds an entirely different meaning. Speaking of others, the lawsuit appears to have just gotten messier, with well over 10,000 XRP holders now seeking to become a part of the lawsuit to fight for the preservation of their assets. These aggrieved Ripplers deem the actions of the SEC, legally correct or otherwise, to be insensitive to the financial plights of thousands of people who have already purchased and transact business with XRP as an exchange commodity and digital asset. But is XRP a digital asset? At the heart of the tussle between Ripple and the SEC is the question of whether XRP classifies as a digital asset. Well, yes and no. According to the description by Ripple and the perception of the army of investors, traders, and hodlers, XRP is just an asset or a commodity, and as such is not bound to be subject to the rules and regulations of securities as stipulated by the SEC. On the contrary, the SEC thinks otherwise and rather chooses to view the alleged violative transactions made by the company in the light of the 1946 Howey test for determining securities. This outlines the definition of a security as any type of contract for investment where sums of money are given by members of the public who, in this case, are investors, in the expectation of profit through the help of others in an enterprise. For the cryptocurrency industry, the core idea of decentralization has made many coins immune to the SEC laws. Only those who offer some form of regulation through means like coin burning or centralized maintenance as part of their operations are susceptible to SEC's regulations. This provision, if eventually proven by the court, is sufficient to drag Ripple into the net of violations. The role of the SEC in today's crypto market. However the situation is looked at, the role of the SEC generally in the cryptocurrency exchange market is key. Seeing the unbridled frenzy that currently rocks the crypto space, it is not far-fetched to see buyers throng to the booth of buzzing cryptocurrency security or asset to throw in their hard-earned dollars without knowledge of the issuing company's basic investment information, such as financial health, criminal records, capital base, and trustworthy ratings. The provision of this background detail is the duty of the SEC to protect investors and prevent another large-scale Ponzi scheme like OneCoin. Another news article says that McCaleb shifts 202 million XRP over the past 10 days while XRP keeps holding above $1. Judging by data from XRP Scan in the past 10 days, former Ripple CTO and one of the company's co-founders, McCaleb, has released over 200 million XRP coins from his remaining stash to be sold. McCaleb sells another big XRP lump. Data provided by the XRP Scan service that tracks XRP transactions demonstrates that since April 15th, McCaleb, who helped found Ripple Labs in 2012, has made 11 transactions from his Taco Stand XRP wallet, pushing over 202 million XRP to be sold. This is the equivalent of $231,899,940 in fiat. Taco Stand was set up in 2013 when McCaleb left Ripple Labs to found his own blockchain platform, Stellar, with the native coin XLM, a Ripple rival. One of the settlement agreement's provisions is that McCaleb must sell his XRP only in small parts. Dumping the entire 9 billion coins that he received as compensation was forbidden by the agreement from the very beginning. Jed's XRP holdings are shrinking. Now, Jed has less than 2 billion XRP coins left, with the current balance of his wallet of 322,309,116 XRP. Blockchain researcher and analyst Leonidas Hygelozo expects McCaleb to sell approximately 22.6 million XRP on a daily basis, which means that Ripple co-founder may run out of his remaining 2 billion coins by August-September this year. Alright, so now let's get closer to a price prediction. XRP's price is a minor surge away from retracing towards its pre-crash levels. Interestingly, this sudden ascent occurred within the last 24 hours. XRP's price at a pivotal point. After the recent collapse, XRP's price found support at $1.03, the previous weekly close. On the 4-hour chart, Ripple bounced twice from this level and surged nearly 40% to $1.40, coinciding with last week's open at the 100 simple moving average. The best-case scenario for XRP's price would be a minor consolidation inside the 12-hour demand zone that extends from $1.22 to $1.41 before resuming its uptrend. In such a case, the bulls could build up momentum that will allow them to push it up to 23% to the next swing high at $1.74. Surpassing this level could help XRP's price reach a yearly high of $1.98. Adding a tailwind to this bullish outlook is the super trend indicator's buy signal that has flashed for the first time since March 30th. Upholding the overall optimistic narrative is the near-zero funding rate, which implies that investors are not crowding into open long positions despite a 40% pump in the XRP's price. Santiment's 30-day MVRV model tracks the average profit to loss of participants that acquired XRP in the past month. This metric points that 32.9% of addresses are in profit. Although this level is not near an average top, minor profit taking might ensue at the current price levels, leading Ripple into a consolidation phase. Overall, XRP's price remains in a safe zone despite approaching a critical barrier at $1.40. Now, a consolidation followed by a breach in this zone could spark a 25% upswing to $1.74. However, if the sellers overwhelm the buyers, leading to a decisive close below the 50 SMA at $1.24, it would jeopardize the upward move. If XRP's price shatters the $1.20 support barrier, it will invalidate the bullish move and trigger a 10% move to $1.09. By the way, if you were wondering, where can you buy XRP? You can follow the links in the description and additionally get extra discounts. But note that I'm not forcing you to invest in this project. It's 100% your personal decision. Don't forget to check out more videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.